Welcome to Blue Baron Carpet Cleaning Systems here in Lecanto, Florida. And we have a non-macerating bellow pump which can be run dry without any damage. And it's a beautiful pump out system. So it'll give you 300 gallon per hour, which is well over 1,130 liters per hour. So this unit, the nice thing about it is you got HydroMaster, they sell you a bunch of parts, charge you about $2,600, and a lot of these others have, rusted type of galvanized fittings. We use stainless. This one here goes directly into that 1 1/4 down at the bottom, which is receiving in. Okay, so it receives the water in, displaces, comes out, and you can put your drain on and redirect it to wherever you want the water to go, the wastewater. So typically a lot of people put a longer hose on this and then direct it into a clean out somewhere handy. And as you can see, look how nice this is. Look how sturdy the base is. Okay, it's just a really nice setup here, and you can see there's stainless tabs that have been TIG welded. So these are all TIG welded, and just a really nice pump system. So you can go online and check it out and see for yourself. And there's also the macerator pump that we have, but this is a non-macerating pump. Okay, it's got 1.5 ports, it's got a 6 amp draw, runs on 12 volts, real easy hookup. Informational number here in case you need help to hook it up. Everything's just very well organized and neat, and the way that it is. And like I said, it's easy to mount. So if you had to put this on a side wall, you have these 3/8 or half-inch holes that'll enable you to bolt it to the side as well as to the floor. So it's just a nice setup, and we've been so busy lately, and we're building ahead. My employment is helping out in the process of getting more of these out in a timely fashion. We've been so busy. This is May of 2024, and we're building more tanks ahead of schedule as well. We're also going to be coming out with a stainless water box. The water box is going to be 3/16 thick, just like the very same size as the inline filter box. You could see on another video. It goes right to the side right there. Just a really beautiful setup. And we're also making them to go to the SE series, which is the larger framed units. So you'll enjoy using these features. We come out with a lot of designs since I moved here to Lecanto. It's just been busy coming up with new designs with various improvements to our accessory line. And again, we're going to be building a stainless filter box again for this unit, and then also the other units will have the stainless water box. So there's a lot here. So call us today at 727-505-2989, and we'll hook you up with the best truck mount and accessories and pump out. Either one, the macerated pump out system or the non-bellow type system, which can run dry without damage. Also has a 10-foot draw, so it can prime it 10 feet away from the source of water coming in. Again, call us at 727-505-2989 or look us up online at truckmountstore.com 24/7.